What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Today we are in big screen on the Oculus Quest. I was recommended to play this game by YouTube viewer T Almighty, and Matt, my buddy Matt, and I were actually playing this the other day trying to figure some things out. And so he wanted me to do just a little gameplay review and check it out. So, you know, people that are going to be getting their Quest soon can see this app, and I thought that was a great idea. So here we are, right Matt?
Hey, how are you? Ready to
there
play?
we are. So, okay, well, obviously we're in the home theater right now, but there's lots of different environments. I'll show you guys those later. But I set it to just one other person be able to play. But one of the things this is a beta, so you can't just, I have video footage on my headset, but I'm not able to just play it. As far as I know, the only way you could really play right now, I'm gonna show, actually let me turn this camera on over here, because I wanna record the screen. Boom, so I could actually cut that in the corner and show. But you have to go to desktop within the app. Okay, so when you do that, it's gonna bring up a code down here. And now you have to go into Steam. I'm gonna go to my library here, and I'm going to go to big screen. And when you click play, it brings up three options. You wanna play desktop version, play, boom. And it should log in if it has everything the way it did. Okay. So I have it set to 720p. You can go higher. I'm just setting it that way for the purpose of the video. HY9. I'm just typing it in the computer here. Okay, so we ran into some problems a minute ago, and I believe what I had to do is I had to be in the room alone. I don't know why. This is a beta, so I'm in the room alone now, and it was able to bring it up. But I'm gonna try to get my buddy back now. Okay, let's stream something.
What are we watching today, my friend? Hey, play the video we just did. That was fun. We'll talk about it.
All right, let's see. You don't have audio. There's no audio either.
No, do you have audio over on your end?
I don't. Here's what I have to do. Hold on one second. So if the audio's not working, I don't have it. Oh, you can see it right here. You just go to refresh audio.
You want me to do that?
Oh, okay. No, I'm doing it. Hold on, refresh audio.
Into a game. There it is, I can hear it.
Oh, I hear it now. Okay, cool. So you just refresh the audio.
This is so cool, dude. It's like a big movie theater.
You hear it?
And now it's clear and everything. It's like a big movie theater.
Let's get in. How about that key over there?
No, beat this wall with the stick. That's the only part I remember.
You like beat the wall. Come sit next to me. No?
I had. How do I do that?
They did something. Ugh, give me 1 second. I'll figure it out right now. You hit.
Oh man, can you light it on fire?
Press down your pointer stick. Maybe. Your joystick button.
Oh,
and then point it at the diamond and let it go.
Hold on, I got it.
Can you reach the fire over here and maybe light it up?
I want it. I keep like opening
joystick
something.
Button. There you go.
Oh, I gotcha. Hey, there's somebody else in
Hey.
here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Not much. This is us playing a RecRoom game. That was a thing of poop in the corner there that we're trying to grab.
This doesn't do
I
it.
didn't do anything to you.
Are you sure it wasn't like sausages or something?
Poop.
For
It was definitely
like,
poop. It was a poop box.
Like bird. There's a key over
Want some
here.
popcorn?
I'm gonna stop this video.
Let's watch an old school one, like some of your first VR videos.
Oh God, you know what? You want to watch the very first VR video
I
I've
want
ever
to watch
played?
the very first VR video you've ever played.
When I was with your brother. Your brother had a VR
right,
headset.
you were watching. You were using his.
Last
Hey,
Gambino.
weekend,
look.
I got to play around with the Oculus Rift virtual reality.
Look at me.
headset, and I'm
Look at my
really excited
face.
for everyone. Check out these next couple clips because I'm going to show some of the games and demos that I had a chance to try out.
Awesome.
We've been doing all day.
Look at that logo I used to have.
You can look both ways.
It's
I'm going
milk.
to get chopped up here with the guillotine. Can you
I got a
actually
hat
chop me
on.
in
I
the
never
neck
wear a
at
hat
the
anymore.
moment?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Gonna chop me up?
I got a G-Shock watch on.
So what's the best position for this?
G-Shock.
There's Milton.
My brother.
He introduced me to VR the first time. And that's funny because I introduced you to
I
it.
know and also it was funny because we saw him with it in Facebook. I commented on it, and then you were like, "What is this?" Then you're like, and then he invited you over, right? I think Isn't
Yeah.
that how it worked out?
Well, I heard about it from the Kickstarter and I was really intrigued. And then your brother, he posted somewhere that he had one. And I'm like, oh my God, I messaged him.
That's so cool.
He's like, said he was doing demos. I'm like, I'm coming over. This part, I thought it was cool, but I wasn't immersed yet and blown away. I felt like it's impressive, but I felt like I was looking at a screen.
I see what you're
I could
saying.
see depth and stuff. But when I tried the third-party plug into Half-Life, I remember that was when I was looking at objects. I was like, I just blew my mind.
Oh
I
my
remember
God,
that was
dude,
like
the
really
3D.
cool looking.
Hey, look at your
Like,
thumbnail
right
at the
now,
bottom.
I'm telling you, this,
Oh, that's when I did
this
visual effects
candle I'm
now.
looking at is like in my face. It's like I feel like my face is in. You see how the
I
candle
love your
spreads out?
description.
There's like one on the left, one on the right.
It's like
My
nothing
face
I've ever
is in between
experienced
them.
before.
Yeah.
Sit back down for
This is
the.
a
Oh, this is Tuscany. This is like one of the first things people ever did.
Really?
Yeah, it's this
Now I just gotta
Tuscany
find
little
the
experience.
keyboard.
They
Which
still
one is this?
recreate it. I think there's a
The
version of this in
orientation's
VR
tracking
chat.
because
Wow, look at
I can
that.
turn my headlight
I haven't
light
found
up,
it.
down, and even tilt it, but it's not tracking position yet.
Oh, I was explaining how you can't lean
And,
forward. You couldn't move. You could only like look
Had
like
that
this,
before the consumer
up,
version or
down.
not?
This is where it gets
Completely blown
to
away. I could not believe how good
when I
the
get to
virtual
VR. What do you call it?
reality
Half-Life.
illusions
Okay.
Somebody,
were,
the
and how much
plug-in someone
actually you
created.
feel like you're
Okay.
I switched
Oh,
my
God.
cups out, and I'm using the B cups now with my glasses. It's
Oh, so you can see
definitely much better. This is f***ing insane. When you get close up to objects, I mean, they are in your
Oh, but you can't
face.
see you playing though.
I'm looking up at this pole right now.
No.
And you can't see it on the screen the way it looks now because I'm looking up at the pole and I'm looking. I feel like I could wrap my arm around this and hug this pole and just hit it. It just looks like it's really there. I mean, it doesn't look completely
No offense, but
real.
your
but-
videos have come a long way from
Like
this.
this actually, this. I'm looking at this,
Yeah.
this
But you
is-
also
oh
weren't
my
in your own house
God.
either.
No, I was at your brother's.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Unbelievable.
But still, it has come a long way since then, though.
Yeah.
This was my first. I didn't even plan on making VR videos.
If
I
I
just
had
made
to
this
puke
because I
from
liked
motion,
it. So
I'm not
much.
getting really any motion sickness from this,
Listen to
but if I
this.
was, I'd probably puke it up in the air and catch it and swallow it and just keep going. Because this is way too cool to stop.
I loved
The
it.
milk's cracking up in the background.
If this was coming out really soon in a consumer version, I seriously think I would forget about getting a PlayStation 4 or an Xbox One.
And then now you have
I would
this.
just get this thing. So that's it
Dude,
for
back
now.
then we were
That-
imagining when it was going to be
Make sure to
consumer.
like and check back.
Oh, someone's
Go to
here.
my popular.
Hey, Capitan.
What's up?
Not much.
What's
We're
up,
watching
guys?
VR
Welcome back
videos
to the
from
Great
when it
Gambino
was
channel.
really fresh, brand new.
Using the Oculus Rift and the Logitech G27 race wheel. Make sure you guys stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to be giving you a point of
Look at
view
the
of the
DK1.
lens
Oh,
of the
yeah.
Oculus
Oh, wow.
Rift.
Oh, wow,
Try to
you
give
had
a
the
better
wheel,
idea
the
of what it
steering wheel,
actually feels
Jim.
like to play this.
Yeah, that thing was like $300. I used it for like 3 games and then I sold it.
So why did this video get 1 million views, Jim? What did you do differently here that you're doing?
I have a couple theories. One, I'm guessing it went onto some car simulator site and then it just blew up because people saw it there. Another thing I'm wondering is I mispronounced carbon fiber. I said fiberglass instead of carbon fiber because I was just so into it that everybody said it's not fiberglass, it's carbon fiber. I got so many of those comments that it might have made it show up more on the algorithms from all the comments.
People were getting mad about
So
it?
it might have worked out to my benefit.
Yeah, you should be inaccurate next time in your videos for people.
I thought about it. I never purposely did do that, but I did think about it. Maybe I should make some more on purpose mistakes.
Especially somebody
Yeah.
who's like a car person would get pissed off. I think the
Well,
steering
they do.
wheel is the
That's
big
the-
reason why you got it.
Dude, I'll tell you right now, I mean, the visuals in that were really poor. It looked like you were looking through a screen door, but it was cool because it was the first time seeing it. But in combination with this force feedback wheel,
Yeah.
and I had the gas and the brake and all that, and I had the shifter, it felt really cool.
That's cool. I can't believe you sold
I've
it.
never appreciated race car games in VR again because I feel like I gotta have a wheel like that. You could feel like the ground with the,
Oh,
because
really?
there's so much.
That's cool.
Yeah, because it gives like a rumble, like almost like
Yeah.
you're going over gravel, and that force feedback, you can feel like it feels like you're really forcing against tires. It's really cool.
That's awesome.
Oh, there's a part also, Matt, where I get in a bad car accident and I have a huge reaction. That could have also made it go a little more viral.
This right here?
Holy shit.
No, it's coming up. You'll see. I get hit by like a McLaren or something, or I'm driving a Lotus.
So like it must have hit an algorithm of car crash in VR or something?
Maybe just people liked it because of that part. Here it is. It's going to be in this race.
This looks so cool.
I remember I was really impressed that you could look out the window down at the road while you're driving.
You can
It's a
sort
different
of
feeling.
lean out and look at the ground. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you're playing a race car game, you can't look down at the ground as it's whipping by, you know? The setup I had to do to record these videos back then,
Yeah, how did you do that?
it was, I don't even remember, but I just know it was a pain. Oh, here it is, Matt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look.
Oh,
He spun out. Oh!
It felt so crazy because it came so fast and it just filled my screen up. And I was like, wow.
Yeah.
I remember filming this and talking about one day you're going to be able to play this multiplayer and race your buddies next to you and look out the side and see your friend catching up to you.
Can you do that?
And now you can. Yeah, you can now. There's tons of race
we should
games.
play a freaking dual-player race game.
Well, you know what? I've been talking to this one company. There's a game coming out. Oh, what's it called? It's kind of like Mario Kart, but it's called like Death Lap or something like that. I think it's Death Lap. But it's a driving game. It's more like Twisted Metal, but your spare hand, you could use a gun in first-person mode and you're shooting at people while you're driving, trying to knock them off track.
I'll make a video with you.
Is that?
Oh, it
is that
looks.
in VR though?
Yeah, it's going to be on Oculus Rift and Quest.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm
Man.
excited for being able to play that in Quest.
What do you guys think of the new Half-Life coming out?
Oh, I'm so excited for that.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna be big.
That was cool. I recopied the Nightmare on Elm Street. It's like a latex wall we built. We replaced a door in our apartment.
That's so cool.
With like a spandex, and we had a guy stretch from the back. It worked really well. That was my snake I used to have.
You had a snake?
Yeah.
By 2008,
I had a python for like a year or two, but then when me and my girlfriend and I broke up, I got rid of it because I was moving on to campus,
Yeah, it makes sense.
and I couldn't bring a snake on campus.
It's not a python.
His name was Caesar. It was a cool snake.
Cesar.
What?
Cesar. I'm just kidding around.
Caesar. Oh.
Hey,
There's you. That's you. That was like, God, what, 2009, 2008? You know, isn't that weird? That's over 10 years ago now.
2008.
That's a long time ago.
We should watch Rick and Morty after Sunday.
Do you want to... Yeah, let's watch Rick and Morty. Can we change the environment in here, or will it wreck up the room?
Give it a shot.
Environment. What happens if I just switch the environment?
Like a large
Does it
mouth. Oh, it's
bring you with me?
Yeah, it brought me
Are
with
you
me.
come? Oh, cool. Okay, let's show some of these environments then.
Look, we're in your room. This one's cool.
All right, so this is like another environment.
I think it'd be cool.
This is the one you start off in, and you know, you got a little fireplace. You could actually move. How do we move around?
You press the joystick.
Okay, so you highlight the green, and boom, it'll move you over to wherever you want to be. So
Hey.
now
what's
I'm
up, dude?
here. Hey, I'm gonna come over by the fire with you.
All right, I'm over next to the fire.
I don't know if I could. Oh, there we go. Boom. Okay.
Oh, this is cool. I like this. We're hanging out. Oh, I can feel the heat off this, Jim. VR is so real. No, I'm just kidding.
Could I come over and sit right on your lap?
I don't know. That'd be funny.
Oh, I could. Oh, you could sit on the floor now. Check this out.
I was sitting over there. That's where I said hi to you a minute ago.
If you're blind and you want to really get close up, and you can see like there's some environment. It's really good. There's a Roomba on the floor moving around there.
Stop it. Stop. I know the Roomba. Oh,
Oh,
by the way, look.
Matthew. Oh,
the Roomba
I
does
hit the
not.
arcade machine.
The Roomba is not effective. See, watch. It doesn't pick it up.
All right.
Oh, look.
This
it-
is Retro
behind
Cinema.
you.
Where are
Hold on,
you?
I'm coming. I'm next to you now. What's up, dude?
Hey, there's somebody else in here. Ghetto Spider.
What's up, Ghetto Spider?
We're watching Blinky McBlinks on the screen here.
Oh, no, look, you're paused. I like this one because it's big.
Okay. Environments. Oop. All right. Let's see what other environments are. Here's modern cinema. We'll go with something a little newer.
Why don't we
It's
watch
really
a movie
easy
on
to
the
switch
moon?
from environment.
Ooh, this is definitely
Oh, look at
modern.
these seats. These are
Oh, look,
fancy.
there's more people in here. Oh, that's still Ghetto Spider, I think. Yeah. You should allow more people, Jim. It hasn't lagged the thing.
I will, but just for the purpose of this video, because if people come in and they expect to see something and we're just kind of making a
gotcha.
video,
Okay, gotcha.
you know what I'm saying? All right, so that's this cinema. I'm just showing like the different environments now. All right, what else do we have here? Environments. Oh, Grand Cinema. This is going to be crazy.
We're probably going to be in like an opera house or something. Oh, no, not really. It's just different
It's just
seating.
different seating placement.
Just the
But
seating.
it's, yeah. All right, what else do we got here that you might enjoy, Matthew?
I enjoy it all, Jim.
The void, I'm not going to show the void. It's just everything's black and you have the screen.
Well,
you
that's
can
weird.
lay in bed
How
and
about
just
the
put
moon?
the screen
Remember there was
above.
the one where we used to be on the moon and watching movies?
Yeah, that was, they might still have it. It might be on a different page, but here we're like in a, it's very
there's the fire
dark.
over here. Can you sit by the fire? No, I don't think so.
I hope so. I'm going to move up because this is like camp logs. Come up closer.
Oh, I'm on the log. Yeah, I'm on a log.
So can you go right up to the fire?
No, I won't let you.
And then there's campfire. Let's do campfire. What is this? Oh, hey. Just move that
Same
out of the
thing, pretty
way.
much. Jim, it's the same thing.
It's just, yeah, but we're
not
just
as
surrounded
big.
by a fire. It's
not
a
as
little
big.
different.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right, what else is there? It's not over. Apartment. Let's go to the apartment. What do you think of this one?
Let me see.
Ooh, it's very bright in here. There's windows.
Oh yeah, I like this one. Oh, we used to play in this one all the time.
Oh, is this one of the originals? Yeah, you're right. Wait, the balcony. What's the balcony?
Oh, I know that one. Remember, we're on a couch, and then like there's see, and it's like open to the outside. Oh, look at the now they changed it. Look up there.
How do you?
Look up
I
there.
gotta move because I. Whoa! It's all weird looking. Oh, you go actually watch it over a balcony. Can I like move to another area? Oh, check it out. Check it out. You could
Oh, look, I'm watching it from here.
I know you can close that out, but.
Dude, look, we're watching up there. There's me.
So I could stand up and just watch it over the balcony. It's a
fluttering
little
for
glitchy
me.
looking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's because we're on Quest. Oh, dude, look down. Oh, this is crazy.
It's just a bunch of dots, but it's
I know,
still
but
cool.
still cool,
It's a
'cause
cool environment.
Yeah.
I have the volume off on this just because I
It's
don't.
gotten better since the last time we played.
Yeah.
Like with
Let's see
the.
what else we got. Where is it playing? Oh, it's above us.
Oh, well, look, yeah,
So
that's cool.
you're supposed to lay down in bed.
Dude, I was in my bed the other day playing. Hey, what's up?
So you could like lay down and watch it.
Oh, he disappeared.
That's okay. We're just kind of doing a demo anyways.
It's
So
kinda-
I'm going to move over here. So you could like lay down.
Dad, look. Look.
You could either watch it there.
Hey, Jimmy.
Huh?
Hi, sweetie.
We're like inside of the bed.
I
But
know,
you
but
could
it's
imagine
cool.
if you're like on a higher rise bed and you're laying down.
I'm going to lay down
you
next
know?
time we watch a video, and we're going to do it in this room. It's going to be sick.
It's like that old school Magnavox commercial. Got to believe it's getting better. Remember when they had that, the TV mounted on the ceiling?
Oh, yeah.
A long time ago. Whoa. All right, let's go to. Did we do South Balcony yet?
I think we were at that balcony already. Oh, it's different. Oh, it's on the
It's a
other
different
side of the balcony. No, it's on the other side.
Oh.
That's why it's south. See, look. If
I
you
like
look
this
on the
one
other
better.
Side, you can see that's where we were earlier.
This one. I like this one because we're really close. We should do this one next time. We're gonna watch something, maybe Rick and Morty or whatever. Because it's pretty.
I do like
the
it.
screen's nice and big.
I like the big screens though, like in the movie theaters. No.
I do too. I like it all. Baby face. Hold on. Let's see. Kitchen. Let's watch TV in the kitchen, Matt.
Maybe I'll cook something up.
I'm actually going to LA Auto Show in like a half an hour from now.
What is the LA Auto Show?
It's a big car show in LA where there's all. Maybe I'll film.
I was gonna say, are you gonna do a video?
I thought about it, but I just don't usually handle cars on my channel. But there's gonna be like the new Corvette there and all sorts of cool stuff.
That's cool.
Let's see. There's another side room, south balcony, side room day. Oh, here we go, Matt. You want like a space one? Oh, here's a sunset. Let's do this one. And we'll do full moon. There's a lot of them.
Oh, this one's cool. Dude,
Whoa, we're like way
I wouldn't
up.
mind watching it in this. If we're gonna watch
I'll watch it in this.
Rick and
Can
Morty.
we move further away, or
That's
does
what
it
I was
have to
thinking.
be
I was
so-
wondering that actually, but no, it doesn't look like it.
Full moon. This might be nice, Matt.
I think
Get ready.
Remember I said we're doing it on the moon? Oh wow, this
Here's
is
a stick.
cool.
I'm gonna put the stick down. So there's a lot of different just settings that if you want to just try different things, you could really pick something to your liking. And really
this one's
just
super
look
cool.
at this. This is crazy.
This one's super cool.
All right, Matt. Last one. We want to go to Mars,
Mars.
the planet, or Canyon? Canyon.
Mars.
Mars.
I just thought maybe the.
Here it is, Matthew. Mars
Ooh,
it is.
the red planet.
You're hanging out Mars, watching whatever you're watching. And that's what it is, man. That's pretty much a little rundown for right now. I mean, this is just beta mode still, but it's quite a bit you could do. It's pretty
Sweet.
awesome, just
Here, pop-
what it is. Oh, give me the popcorn. Pass it over. It's empty now.
There's another one.
Toss it. Can you throw the whole box?
Let me see here.
Well, let's close the video out then. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have all the way until the end, I definitely appreciate it. Matthew appreciates it too. And
Leave me
we
a
will see you
comment.
guys in
Say
the next
hi in the
video.
comments to me.
Say hi in the comments for Matthew, and we'll see you guys next time.
Popcorn if you say hi.